Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: arbitrary. Spelling: arbitrary. Meaning: based on or determined by chance, whim, or personal discretion rather than by necessity, reason, or principle. Synonyms: capricious, whimsical, willful. Antonyms: reasonable, judicious, scientific. Usage: the arbitrary decision was made without considering the facts. The rules seemed arbitrary and unfair to many participants. Word: ascertain. Spelling: ascertain. Meaning: to find out or determine something with certainty. Synonyms: determine, discover, find out. Antonyms: ignore, neglect, overlook. Usage: the investigation aimed to ascertain the cause of the accident. After researching, she was able to ascertain the truth about the historical event. Word: ascribe. Spelling: ascribe. Meaning: to attribute something to a person or thing as its cause, origin, or possessor. Synonyms: attribute, impute, assign. Antonyms: deny, disclaim, reject. Usage: the invention is ascribed to a brilliant scientist from the 19th century. They ascribe the success of the project to the team's hard work. Word: aspire. Spelling: aspire. Meaning: to strongly desire or aim to achieve something. Synonyms: aim, strive, yearn. Antonyms: despair, give up, relinquish. Usage: she aspires to become a renowned artist one day. The company aspires to be a leader in its industry within the next decade. Word: assail. Spelling: assail. Meaning: to attack or criticize someone or something strongly. Synonyms: attack, assault, criticize. Antonyms: defend, support, praise. Usage: the politician was assailed by the media for her controversial statement. The company's reputation was assailed by the negative reviews. Word: assiduous. Spelling: assidous. Meaning: showing great care and attention to detail, diligent and persistent. Synonyms: diligent, persistent, industrious. Antonyms: lazy, careless, negligent. Usage: the detective was assiduous in her investigation, leaving no stone unturned. The student was assiduous in her studies, earning top grades. Word: assuage. Spelling: assuage. Meaning: to make something less severe or unpleasant, to calm or soothe. Synonyms: calm, soothe, alleviate. Antonyms: aggravate, exacerbate, intensify. Usage: the doctor tried to assuage the patient's pain with medication. The apology helped to assuage the hurt feelings. Word: astute. Spelling: astute. Meaning: having a quick and clever mind, able to understand and interpret things well. Synonyms: intelligent, perceptive, shrewd. Antonyms: foolish, naive, obtuse. Usage: the astute investor made a fortune by predicting the market trends. The detective was astute in her observations, solving the case quickly. Word: atrophy. Spelling: atrophy. Meaning: a wasting away or degeneration of something, especially due to lack of use or nourishment. Synonyms: waste, degenerate, deteriorate. Antonyms: grow, develop, flourish. Usage: the muscle atrophied from lack of exercise. The company's sales atrophied due to poor management. Word: attain. Spelling: attain. Meaning: to reach, achieve, or accomplish, gain, obtain. Synonyms: obtain, get, win. Antonyms: miss. Usage: Jim is halfway to attaining his pilot's license. He attained the age of 90. Word: audible. Spelling: audible. Meaning: able to be heard. Synonyms: hearable, perceptible. Antonyms: inaudible, quiet, silent. Usage: the sound was barely audible. He spoke in a steady whisper that was no more than audible. Word: avarice. Spelling: avarice. Meaning: immoderate desire for wealth, cupidity. Synonyms: greed, covetousness, cupidity. Antonyms: generosity, altruism. Usage. His avarice led him to make unethical decisions. The novel explores the theme of avarice and its consequences. Word, avenge. Spelling, avenge. Meaning, to vindicate by inflicting pain or evil on the wrongdoer. Synonyms, revenge, retaliate, punish. Antonyms, forgive, pardon. Usage. She vowed to avenge her brother's death. The hero sought to avenge the injustice done to his family. Word, aversion. Spelling, aversion. Meaning, a strong feeling of dislike or repulsion. Synonyms, dislike, distaste, repulsion. Antonyms, attraction, affection. Usage. She had an aversion to spiders. His aversion to public speaking made it difficult for him to present his ideas. Word, balk. Spelling, balk. Meaning, to stop or refuse to do something, often suddenly. Synonyms, refuse, decline, hesitate. Antonyms, agree, accept, proceed. Usage. She balked at the idea of skydiving. The horse balked at the jump. Word, banal. Spelling, banal. Meaning, commonplace, trite, or lacking originality. Synonyms, trite, commonplace, hackneyed. Antonyms, original, unique, interesting. Usage. The movie's plot was banal and predictable. His jokes were so banal that no one laughed. Word, bard. Spelling, bard. Meaning, a poet, especially one who recites epic or heroic poems. Synonyms, poet, minstrel, troubadour. Antonyms, prose writer, novelist, historian. Usage. William Shakespeare is often referred to as the bard. The ancient Celtic bards were known for their epic poems. Word, bashful. Spelling, bashful. Meaning, shy, modest, or hesitant, often in social situations. Synonyms, shy, modest, timid. Antonyms, confident, bold, outgoing. Usage. The bashful artist was hesitant to show her work. He was too bashful to ask her out on a date. Word, battery. Spelling, battery. Meaning, a device that stores electrical energy, or a series of tests or examinations. Synonyms, cell, power source, examination. Antonyms, generator, power plant, single test. Usage. The car's battery was dead. The student had to take a battery of tests to get into college. Word, bequeath. Spelling, bequeath. Meaning, to leave or give, personal property, by will. Synonyms, devise, hand down, pass on. Antonyms, withhold, retain. Usage. He bequeathed his talent to his son. She bequeathed her estate to her children. Word, berate. Spelling, berate. Meaning, to rebuke or scold angrily and at length. Synonyms, chew out, dress down, lecture. Antonyms, praise, commend. Usage. The coach berated the team for their poor performance. She berated her brother for his reckless behavior. Word, bereft. Spelling, bereft. Meaning, deprived of something, especially something that is considered essential. Synonyms, deprived, destitute, lacking. Antonyms, endowed, provided. Usage. The family was bereft of hope after the loss of their home. She felt bereft of her confidence after the failure. Word, beseech. Spelling, beseech. Meaning, to implore or beg someone earnestly or desperately to do something or give something. Synonyms, implore, beg, plead. Antonyms, demand, command. Usage. The protesters beseeched the mayor to address their concerns. She beseeched her parents to let her go to the party. Word, bilk. Spelling, bilk. Meaning, to defraud, cheat, or swindle. Synonyms, cheat, swindle, defraud. Antonyms, honest, truthful. Usage. He bilked his clients out of millions of dollars. She was accused of bilking the company of its funds. Word, blandish. Spelling, blandish. Meaning, to flatter or try to win someone over by praise or false promises. Synonyms, allure, beguile, cajole. Antonyms: repel, deter, discourage. Usage: she tried to blandish her boss into giving her a raise. The salesman used his charm to blandish the customer into buying the expensive car. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.